teaching pattern identification to upper kindergarten students. Initially, begin with objects that the learner can place in a particular pattern. Choose simple geometric shape flashcards. Get the learner to arrange the flashcards in a particular pattern. You can also use seeds. Get the learner to arrange the seeds in a pattern. If you keep doing this repeatedly, the learner gets to understand what a pattern is. Then, get the learner to do the worksheet in the book, Second Steps in Math. Thank you.